Hello, good evening. This is a slide which explains the functions of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane has two types of transport functions, passive transport mechanism and the active transport mechanism. And this particular slide explains about the passive transport mechanism. Here you can see four slides starting from left of the slide. The left side diagram shows the simple diffusion process. The second diagram shows carrier-mediated facilitated diffusion process. The third one is the channel-mediated facilitated diffusion process. And the fourth one is the osmosis process. All these four processes of transport mechanism are a part of the passive transport system. Let us see how they are different from each other. Now, if we look at this first diagram on the left side, we can see some lipid-soluble solute particles which are present on the outside of the plasma membrane, which is labeled as extracellular fluid. And we can see the cytoplasm which is towards the inner side of the plasma membrane. And you can see the soluble substances, they are able to pass across the bilipid membrane and they're easily entering into the cytoplasm without the requirement of any energy. So this is such a process is called a simple diffusion process because this is directly taking place through the phospholipid bilayer. Similarly, we have the second mechanism in which there are special types of proteins which are present on the plasma membrane, and these proteins are called as the carrier proteins. And these carrier proteins, they have some special sites inside them which match the specific substances which have to be transported by them. These substances are transported via the special proteins which are called as channel or carrier mediated proteins. And the next one, third method is also through a special protein, but this protein is having a channel in between the molecule. And this channel facilitates the movement of these small lipid-insoluble substances to move across the plasma membrane. And the final one is the osmosis process, in which diffusion of the water molecules takes place through a special channel which is called as aquaporin.